that na just choose your representative and then let us have a meeting. Kasi itong may klase ang mga eskwela. Kasi alauna na. So, pare-pareho tayo na we cannot do two things at a time. Attend to our classes and have this meeting. Kaya, during your off period, nakahanap mo, and we are willing to talk to everything that you want to talk.
Ma'am!
Anong topic ang gusto ninyong pag-usapan?
Ma'am, kaya alam pa, I'm just wondering, yung pong idea ng isang tao could not be the idea of the hand.
Hindi. Kasi ako naman ang inyong dean. Hindi pa pwedeng pagbigyan ninyo ako sa oras na ito. Kasi I have to attend to so many things. Kaya ako'y nakikiusap sa inyo na pumunta kayo sa akin, pag-usapan natin, but not this time. You can proceed to your classes.
Ma'am!
Kasi ang usapan natin 12 to 1, and it is already 1:20.
Ma'am!
You can go to your room.
Ma'am, last na po, we have agreed on ibabalik na po yung society. Sumobra na po kami sa
You have
25.
not presented to me your clearance. Meron pa kayong ayaw sa
Miss
inyo.
Amorante po, I think she has a...
Okay, those who have not known, if you do not have any concern except this group, you can proceed to your room. Please. Kasi may class kayo. Yung mga fortune na may concern, you can just see me in my office.
Panibago na naman, panibago. Kita nyo na, no? Buti na binidyo ko yun.